So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can block invitations. So first of all, you need to launch the Among Us application, log into your account, and once it's open, you'll see the main screen. At the bottom left corner of your screen, you'll see the settings button. Go ahead, tap on it. Now you'll get three different sections of general, graphics, and data. You need to be on the general tab, and you'll see the friends and lobby invites in the bottom of the screen that is beside the censored chat. If it's highlighted in green color, it's on, and if you tap on it, the green highlight would disappear, indicating it's off. You need to simply tap on it to turn it off. And now it's disabled and other players can't directly invite you. This means that you won't be disturbed by unwanted invites, and if you return to the main screen, the changes are saved. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.